Hello friends, welcome to Sumit Wadekar Trading, and in this video we'll discuss the 1 crore mindset. So you can achieve 1 crore amount from trading from stock market, but it requires a specific type of mindset. Okay, you cannot achieve this using a 100 rupees mindset. So in this video we'll discuss the 8 steps which are required to develop a 1 crore mindset. So stay till the end and let's begin the video. So the first step is you have to become the character who deserves 1 crore, because currently you have the goal of achieving 1 crore, but you are not the character who deserves it. So first you have to become the character who deserves it. Okay, so before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribe to it right now so that you get valuable videos from our side. So you have to become the character who deserves 1 crore. And for that, you have to change yourselves. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You'll face a lot of resistances and you have to overcome them in order to succeed, in order to achieve 1 crore. So whenever we face any difficulties, we back off. We get into our comfort zone, and that's why we don't grow. That's why we don't achieve our goals. So we have to get out of our comfort zone and face resistances, overcome them, and then we can definitely achieve our goal. The third thing is we have to stay focused on our goal. We should know where we are going. Let's say our goal is to achieve 1 crore rupees in the next 1 year. So now I know what to do. Now I can decide how I can do it, what steps I should take to achieve this goal. So first you should have a goal. Then you should stay focused to your goal. Then you should stay committed to your goal. You should know why you are doing it. If you have a goal, if you want to achieve 1 crore, you should know why you want to achieve 1 crore. If you don't find this answer, then it will become very difficult for you to achieve it. Okay, because you will quit in face of difficulties. When you will face difficulties, you will quit. But if your reason is strong, if your why is strong, you will survive in face of difficulties and you will overcome the difficulties. So do this for your family, for your spouse, for your parents, for your children, and do this for yourself. Do it for yourself. Okay, so you should have a goal. You should be focused on the goal, and then you can definitely achieve your goal. So now we'll discuss the 8 steps which are required to develop a 1 crore mindset. So this is going to be very much useful. Pay close attention. So the first is, I will just, yes, now it is clearer. So the 8 steps, the first step is to have goals in writing. First step is to have goals in writing with a deadline. A goal which is not written, which is not in writing, is not a goal. It's a desire. Okay, so goal should be in writing. It should have a deadline when you will achieve that goal. Okay, so this is very much important. Write goals daily. Daily write down your goals. Have a goal book where you write your goals. Visualize the goals like it has become the reality. Like if your goal is to achieve 1 crore in the next 1 year, then visualize every day, write it down that you have achieved 1 crore. Now, how is your life changed? What are the changes which have happened in your life? So visualize as if it has already happened, and it will definitely happen. This is what law of attraction says. Okay, you attract what you see, what you visualize. Okay, so visualize your goals like it has become the reality. And your why is more important than the how. Why do you want to achieve this goal? If your why is clear, the what and how becomes easier. Okay, so have goals. This is the first step. The second step is to listen to audio. It was a 30-minute audio called Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. So if you listen to this 30-minute audio daily in the morning, then your mindset will change. It will reprogram your subconscious mind, and your probability of achieving your goal becomes higher. So it is easily available on YouTube. You can download that video and listen to that audio daily. It's a 30-minute audio. So if you start the day with this audio, it will be a very good start to your day. Okay, it will reprogram your subconscious mind and help you in achieving your goal. The third step, exercise daily for minimum 30 minutes. This is very much important because if your health is not proper, you cannot enjoy the wealth. So exercising is important so that your health is proper. Control your body to control the mind. If you can't even control the body, how can you even think of controlling the mind? Therefore, it's important to control the body. Health is wealth. If your health is lost, everything is lost. So take care of your health. Exercise daily for minimum 30 minutes. Fourth step, have alone time for minimum 30 minutes. Spend time with yourself. Many people have fear when they think of it, but it is very much important. This way, you will know your thoughts, you'll know what you want from life, and you will get many ideas, new ideas on how you can achieve your goals in a faster way. Okay. So, this is important. Have alone time. Write your thoughts daily. Whatever thoughts come to your mind, write them down. Have a diary, personal diary, where you write your thoughts daily, and you will notice that some thoughts keep on repeating again and again. These are the dominant thoughts. So observe them, notice them. So this is what is your calling. This is what is your passion. The dominant thoughts, the thoughts which keep on repeating again and again. You have to do something about it. Do yoga or meditation. This also clears your thinking process. This also clears your thinking, your thoughts. Okay, so this is also helpful. Go for evening walk without listening to any music or audio. Just you and your thoughts. Evening walk for 30 minutes in the evening, and you will get a lot of new ideas. You will get to know about yourself much better. So have alone time for minimum 30 minutes. This is the fourth step. Fifth step is to invest in a mentor or guide who has achieved what you desire to achieve. Because there are many people who have achieved what you want to achieve. So if you take guidance from them, if you learn directly from them, your chances of achieving your goal increases. Okay, this will be your best investment. This will reduce your learning curve drastically. So if you want to achieve your goal in a very less time, the best way to do it is to learn from the person who has already achieved the goal you are desiring to achieve. Okay, surrender to your mentor. Just listen to what he says, follow the path given by your mentor, and you will definitely see good results. So this was the fifth step. The sixth step is surround yourself with achievers. Your surroundings matters a lot. You become the average of 5% you spend most time with. Who are the 5 people with whom you spend your most time? You'll become the average of that. So choose your circle properly and choose the people with whom you spend your most time. Surround yourself with achievers, and you will become an achiever. If you surround yourself with 5 idiots, you will become the 6th. If you surround yourself with 5 wealthy people, you will become the 6th. So take care of this. Start today. Many people don't start. They have goals, they have plan, they have everything ready, but they don't take action. So if you don't take action, you will not get results. If you want to achieve your goal, you have to take consistent action towards your goal. So start today with all the imperfections, with all the resources that you have, and you will improve and grow on the way. Okay. So start today, because you will never be ready. If you think that when you will be ready, you will start, it will never happen. So start today, and you will improve and you will grow along the way, and execute with speed. Execution and taking action is very much important. And if you can do it with speed, then you can do wonders. You can achieve any goal. So this is the seventh step. And the eighth step is to keep learning and keep improving, because life will never stop you. Life will never stop teaching you. So you should keep on learning. You should keep on learning. You should keep on improving, so that you grow and you keep on achieving your goals. So these are the 8 steps using which you can achieve a 1 crore mindset, and you can achieve any goal. So let's revise. Have goals in writing with a deadline. Listen to 30-minute audio daily. Stranger's Secret by Earl Nightingale. Exercise daily for minimum 30 minutes. Have alone time minimum 30 minutes. Invest in a mentor who has achieved what you desire to achieve. Surround yourself with achievers. Start today and keep learning and improving. So the next question is, who am I? Who am I to tell you all this? So let's see. In short, my name is Sumit Wadekar. I'm a trader, mentor, and content creator. What do I do? I can help you earn consistent passive income from trading within the next 7 days, along with your job, without any previous knowledge or experience, giving just 5 minutes per day using trading automation. So this is what I do. This is how I can help you. And if this excites you, then you can contact me below. In the link in the description, there is my WhatsApp number. You can type trading and WhatsApp on my number, and I will guide you. So what will be the eligibility conditions? I don't work with everyone. If you want me to work with you, you have to satisfy eligibility conditions. First one, minimum capital of 1.2 lakhs. You should do option selling, not option buying. You should be okay with system trading, no discretionary trading. You should have a realistic expectations of returns from market, and you should have a learning attitude. So if you satisfy all these conditions, then I welcome you and I can guide you to become a profitable trader. So you can download my free ebook, 3 Secrets to Profitable Trading. Link is in the description, and this is also the link. This is the link. You can click on the link in the description and download my free ebook and learn how to become a profitable trader. So this is all about the video. And in the next video, we'll discuss how to earn 3% per month consistently using trading automation. So this is the topic for the next video. And if you found this video valuable, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with your friends, hit the notification to receive updates of the latest videos, and comment V for valuable. Comment the letter V for valuable, so that I can know you found this video valuable. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.